Yo guys, today I'm going to show you how to create this simple transition that you have probably seen in a lot of edits. So we are going to move over the layers section and click on new, then select solid. Here we can also choose any color we want if needed. Click OK, and from the point where the clip is split into two sections, move 3 frames forward and 3 frames backward, then cut the solid layer. Next, cut the solid layer right in the middle. Now search for the linear wipe effect in Effects and Presets panel. Select it and drag it into the solid layer. Set the first percentage value to 50% and adjust the angle however you want. Then copy the effect and paste it onto the next solid layer. This time into the opposite angle of the previous one. And that's it. You can adjust the angle and the length of the solid layer however you like.